Hey guys, listen, if you want to see what audacity that OhYas, the subscription service, had the audacity to do, then stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I just got back from picking up my boyfriend, my man, I guess you could say, and I don't mind the mirror. Anyway, I just got in, and I forgot, I was recording earlier, and my phone is acting up, like my storage is messed up. I don't understand, it's a brand new phone. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and tip you guys down here real quick. Where's the camera? Oh, it's on the side. Okay. Anyway, this morning, with the mail came this subscription. Okay, let me just back up real quickly. December 1st, OhYas. We all heard about it. If you haven't, I suggest you go to the not so evil stepmother. I'll link her information down below. There's a video there that she posted. It's about soul theory and OhYas. Now, December 1st, people who were subscribed to this, I even have a video up for November that I got a subscription from them. But what happened was, December, our money was taken, everybody who was subscribed to that subscription service, and we're waiting all month. We don't get any tracking information, nothing. And then all of a sudden, they start taking down their website. They start taking down their Instagram. They don't have a Facebook page. So they like absconded. They disappeared. So I was like, oh my God. So I posted on Instagram. It was really weird. I made a post and I uploaded it onto Instagram. I said, has anyone heard from OhYas? And I was like, you know what? Let me check with the Not So Evil Stepmother, because she does a lot of investigating on subscription boxes and people that own them and, like, you know, just hinky stuff and all that. So I clicked over to her Instagram page, and sure enough, 36 minutes before I posted, now I hadn't checked, but 36 minutes before I posted, she posted late in breaking news, you know, new video up. So I popped over to her YouTube channel, watched the video. Apparently, you know, OhYas, Soul Theory LLC, decided to take everyone's money, and nobody could get a hold of them. Nobody could contact them through their website. Nothing. You click on the store. It went to Shopify. So like the store was gone. The website was gone, and they had our money, and we got no tracking information. So it was put to me, or to everyone actually, that if you bought something from their service, or you signed up for their subscription, or you were a member of the subscription, to contact your financial institution immediately and file a dispute. Now, I went through PayPal. I always do. So every time there's a PayPal available, I use that because I know I'm protected. So, so I called PayPal, and I went ahead and I said, this is what's going on. The company is gone. We can't find them. We don't have our stuff. There's no tracking information, nothing. So they went ahead and opened up a dispute and escalated it right away, okay? That's what I was told had to be done so that I could get my money back. And also, you have to cancel the subscription, because if they wanted to take money off come January 1st, which already passed, they could have. But since I did it the way I did it, they couldn't get my money, and that was the end of it. So we washed our hands, boom, we figured. Now, they had done this back in June. Something hinky went on, I say, the Not So Evil Stepmother will let you know. She has like a little bit of a mini-series type thing going on with them. One back, I think, in June, she posted about it. And then again, a couple videos. So, I mean, in her video, you'll see she'll mention a lot more about it and give you a lot more information. So anyway, all forgotten. Didn't think anything of it. I got my money back, my money was back on my card, I think December 20-something, The subscription was canceled, so I was safe. Now, forgot all about it, didn't think anything of it. Well, this morning I get my mail, and I get a lot of freebies, as you guys can see in my YouTube channel, that come in bags like this, right? So I'm like, what is that? And then just something made me just automatically think, damn it, excuse my language, darn, that looks like OhYas subscription. But I'm like, well, that ain't possible. Well, sure enough, when I turn it over, lo and behold, there it is. It's from Yes, OhYas. I said, you got to be kidding. The gall of this company, the gall of these people, I cannot even believe that they would literally try and now send me something. And when they were describing their subscription service, I remember it said 3 to 7 items, okay, that you would receive every month. Well, I haven't opened this yet. So we're going to do that now real quick. And then I'm going to hop off here because I got to take my butt to bed. But, so here, let me just take off the label. I guess I should probably keep that label. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and then lay the bag down. Okay, so this is crazy, right? So there's 3 things in here. There really is, because I was feeling through the bag, and sure enough, okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out here, I can't even believe that they would, like, I don't even want to mention their name. Like, they don't even deserve airtime, for real. How grimy this company was. Anyway, so we got sent, I guess, I don't know who else, and I'm wondering, listen, if you see this video and you were a victim of their whatever, I guess what's going on is, like, I had a quick chat with the Not So Evil Stepmother through Instagram, and I said, oh, you know, I told her you're not going to believe what happened. She's like, oh, I heard about it. She said, what's happening is they're sending 3 products out because they want to fight the disputes, because they don't want to pay back money. Because now we all got, I know I got my money back, and I'm hoping that everyone else did. So now what's going to happen is whoever went after them, like PayPal or the financial institution, whichever like card you use, your bank or whatever, is going to want their money because they paid us. So I guess they're trying to, I don't know, salvage it, and so they don't have to pay back or whatever to the banks, the institutions, or PayPal. Well, tough patooties, because I got my money back, and not only that, I got 3 more products, but, you know, I don't really care about that. The point is, I just wanted to let y'all know, like, what's going on. So, I have no idea. Of course, there's not a card in here. There wasn't one in the last subscription for November. So, I mean, it was just going downhill. I kind of liked the subscription in the beginning, but then, you know, whatever. I don't even care. So, I have no idea what this is. This is from, oh my God, what is this? I don't even have my glasses. I don't even know where they are. Oh, here they go. Hold on. Because I'm tired like crazy. It's like 5 in the morning. I'm ready to go to bed. It says, shine your light bright. You're a star. For a soft, radiant look, choose the Universe Star Highlighter. From hashtag INM. I don't know. There's the box. If you guys can make it out, good luck, because I can't. Can you see that writing there? Whatever that is? I don't know. I can't. I don't know how this lighting, this shit works. Where's the camera? Oh, there it is. Alright, so that's that. Anyway, here's the highlighter. It's a color that I know I probably can't use. Definitely not. But anyway, it comes in a little container like this. There's the packaging. Packaging's cute, I guess. I mean, I would probably maybe use that on my lid. But that's too dark for a highlighter for me. But anyway, that's one thing. Oh my God, I can't believe they, like, to try and save their butts. That's exactly what they're doing, and oh well. Too late. A little, what is it? What is that saying? Too little, too late? Oh well. And they're grimy. They're just grimy. Grimy people. They had 37 LLCs, meaning they have 37 different companies they can open up. Oh God, and there's another one, really? Velveteen Dream Shadow, Go Gaga, from INM. Again, same company. Now this is what this is the packaging, and like it's oh jeez, it's like kind of the same thing, but now this one's an eyeshadow. Now I'll tell you what I like. If this shadow performs well, it looks a little brighter than it actually is. I think because of the light. It's not that bright, guys. It's really not. It's like a darker blue. Maybe it. No, it's not. It's not that bright. It does not show up that bright. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it real quick. Oh wow, wow. Really? Is that even a? Oh my God, that's hilarious. Like, okay, let me see. 4 times. Let's see how many 4 times build it up. Yeah, there you go. 4 times I finally got it to show up. Anyway, so that's that. Now what else do we got here? Oh God, I'm even afraid to look. Mirabella lip. Okay, well, my finger. Oh wow. Do I have? Oh, here I have a rag here. So this is a. What is this? Mirabella lip definer. Okay, whatever that is. Oh, lip liner. Duh. I'm really tired, guys. I just wanted to. Oh, jeez, dropping it in. Well, here's. What's the shade? Smart. That's the name, Smart. Well, they sure weren't smart, I'll tell you that. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. It's a lip liner. Well, it's not that bad. I mean, it's creamy. I kind of like that shade. Let me see. Yeah, that's kind of like a purpley cranberry. I don't know. That can't. I mean, the camera is not showing the real true color because it looks purple, but it doesn't. Well, maybe it is kind of purple. It's like a reddish purple. I don't know. Anyway, so there's the 3. I guess this is our. This is supposed to count as our subscription for $18.98, whatever it was. I don't even know. But you know what? That's what I say to them. And they got what they're coming to them. Let me tell you, I hope to goodness that they, they really get what's coming to them. And I hope everyone gets their money back. And yeah, so that's that. So that's the video, guys. I just want to let you know they're back at it. Something, I don't know what they're trying to do, but beware. And if you got this 3 little packages, let me know. Comment below, will you? If you know someone who caught up in this scam, hit me up, will you? Because if they need any information, tell them to contact me. Let me know if you know anyone that had like this problem, okay? It should be resolved. Hopefully everybody contacted their bank and we're all done with them. I know that I do believe the evil stepmother, the not so evil stepmother, sorry. And I'll link her information down below. I do believe that she has the names and, a lot of information pertaining to the LLCs that they were, could pop up under again. So we want to make sure that doesn't happen because I know I don't want to subscribe from them anymore. And they need to get stopped is what they need to do. But anyway, I'm out. Peace. I'm tired. Gotta go. I will see you on the next one.